How do we make our properties tenant-proof? Here are 3 improvements we're typically incorporating to minimize future expenses for our investors. Number 1, hard surface flooring. That's a given. We want to ensure that there's hard surface flooring in all high traffic areas. Living rooms, rec rooms, hallways, an area that's going to have more foot traffic, we want to have hard surface flooring to minimize any damage or staining. Second thing, countertops. We've shied away from the laminate or Formica tops. We found they actually can get damaged by tenants. So we found an opportunity to install granite countertops in our kitchens, which actually make the units look nicer too, but also minimize future turnover costs for our investors. And the third thing, tile surrounds in our bathrooms. Something we found over the years. Those plastic tub fitters always get damaged. And rather than spend $1,000 every time there's tenant turnover, throw in some tile on the shower surround, it looks nicer and no future cost to you.